Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Today I am making Kolkata style fish chop. Let's start the process. Here I have taken chopped onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander leaves. Now I have taken the belly sided piece of rui fish in a bowl. Now I am adding salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice for marination and rest it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I took a karai and added water in it. When bubbles will appear in the water, add the marinated fish into it and close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. When the fish is well cooked, take them out and strain the excess water from it. Now carefully pick out the fish bones from the flesh. Now add oil in a karai, add chopped garlic, green chilies and onions into it. Now I am adding chopped ginger and cook until it turns brown. Now I am adding few masala like cumin powder, coriander, black pepper, turmeric powder and amchur powder into it. The masala are now well fried. Now I am adding fish. Mix the fish with masala and cook them well. Fish are almost ready. Now this stage I am adding a boiled smashed potato into it. Now it's time to add garam masala, fried masala, salt and sugar. Now fish are ready. At last add some fresh coriander leaves and turn off the heat and let it cool down. Beat the eggs with salt and black pepper. Take flour and add salt and black pepper in it and mix well. Now add black salt in the previously made fish and mix well. Now is time for give shape with the prepared fish mixture. Now coat them with flour and shake the excess flour. After flour coating done, dip the fish into egg batter and coat them with breadcrumbs. I would like to extra crispy, that's why I am repeat the process again. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Prepare a kadhai for deep fry, add oil into it, fry the coated fish into the oil and fry them until golden brown. Your Kolkata style fish chop is ready now. Enjoy it with onions, lemon, and with your choice of sauces. See you again on Friday with new recipe. Till then, tata.